Berkeley Law Society is an ecosystem of lawyers educated at Berkeley Law, connecting and concluding partnership with private and public entities from the sector, like VCs, private equity, law firms, NGOs. The ecosystem of BLS is including outstanding practitioners from all over the world. We are now covering more than 60 countries. Therefore, we are bigger than any law firms on earth. The purpose of the Berkeley Law Society is to create and strengthen the bond between different generations of educated lawyers at Berkeley. Also, the purpose of the Berkeley Law Society is to perpetuate the unique voice of Berkeley all over the world. Today, the Berkeley Law Society is working and collaborating at two levels: on campus in California, as well as at a worldwide level. We have created a journal, a professional journal, where you can publish, share your ideas. We have interviewed the Dean, Chief Justice. Recently, we interviewed a judge from the Cour de Cassation in France. This is a place where, once again, the voice of Berkeley can be diffused. Also, we have created practice group, M&A group, energy group, environmental group, arbitration, entertainment, human rights. Human rights is very important for us. We have in our community friends, classmates who are fighting for climate change, who were in jail for 10 years due to political reasons. Therefore, in addition to those business sectors, we have a special attention for the human rights and NGO people. What do they do when they are on campus? Those friends, those classmates met for breakfast, for lunch, and they also connect with the Bay Area. So we were invited, and we invited law firms, companies from the Valley, and we also met professors, and all of them were very glad, were delighted to meet people with 5, 10, 20 years of experience. It's also the opportunity for those people in the Bay Area to connect with the rest of the world. So this is what we do on campus during the year, and we also now act at the worldwide, at the global level.
I am the director of the energy cohort in the Berkeley Law Society, and the purpose of this group is basically to create a network where we can unite professionals from Berkeley that are related to the energy industry, both in power, renewable energy, and the oil and gas sectors.
That I help national and subnational government agencies to create an enabling policy environment to promote resource management.
I have more than 15 years of experience in corporate M&A practice. The Law Society's network is a great idea about building and maintain a strong network of experienced professionals.
Important now more than ever to be standing in solidarity with and supporting human rights defenders and democratic struggles around the world. And that is why I am so delighted that the Berkeley Law Society has decided to launch an international human rights group. Together we're going to draw upon the international experience and expertise of the Berkeley law community.
Dear friends, hello, my name is Serge Beck. I am a co-president of Berkeley Law Society, and I'm delighted to welcome you today here in the House of Cercle France Amérique in Paris. Berkeley Law Society is an organization of internationally working professional lawyers from all over the world who have been studying in Berkeley, alumni and also people from the professional track. We work on the cooperation, and our goal is to connect people with different entities of business. My colleagues and me personally will welcome you next year at campus of Berkeley and we will be organizing several events and connect our colleagues, our members. Please join our network of professionals and let us make us stronger and benefit from each other. Thank you.
Of course, the achievements on campus were amazing, but we decided to not stop on the campus, and we want to survive the end of the program. We want to do something more. That's why at the global level, we have now two ambitions. The first ambition is to focus on 4 topics: life science, space, tech, and startup. Because this is the future, it will be a way for us to anticipate the world and the legal world for the next 20 years. What we do, we use our network in order to make deals, to conclude partnership with VCs, with funds who would like to work with us and to collaborate with us. Then we also need domiciliation. We need places where we can meet each other, when we can discuss, when we can learn about each other, and when we can collaborate. That's why we started in Paris with a domiciliation in France Amérique in order to every month or every 2 months to meet each other and to connect the legal community of Berkeley with business sector, bank, VCs, and to perpetuate once again this voice of Berkeley. We will soon open other clubs in Brazil, in Sao Paulo, in China, in Mumbai. So please join us. We'll be delighted to welcome you and to support your project.
I would like to thank Aubin, where is it? Over there. The president of Berkeley Law Society, who has managed this meeting. We plan to organize other meetings in the coming month.
We will still be pleased to receive all members of UC Berkeley as our dear guest. Thank you for heralding this new offer to the Berkeley alumni community. Thanks for joining us today. And I wish, and we wish all of you and each of you success and happiness in your future endeavors. And come again soon. Bye-bye.
It is a really nice evening today organized by BLS. We have been able to connect each other in another area than Berkeley, and we have been able to connect with people from Berkeley from previous years. So it was really rewarding and really interesting. Thank you very much to BLS to organize this. Thank you.